Hello everybody, welcome to Filmmaking Today. Bojan Dulabic here. So, are you looking for a camera, gimbal, and a selfie stick all in one? Stay tuned. Hey guys, so just a couple of housekeeping items. This product was sent to me by Gudsen, which is the company behind the Moza products. They sent this one to me free of charge, but they have no influence on this video. They're not reviewing it before it's being published, and all the opinions you're going to hear are my own. So, let's get started. This is the Moza Nano SE, which is a camera, gimbal, and selfie stick all in one. It comes in 4 colors and it's very lightweight, coming in at about 250 grams. It supports phones up to 280 grams in weight. In the box you will find the device itself and a USB Type-C charger. On the device itself you will find an on-off button, battery indicator lights, there is a USB-C plug used for charging, and a detachable Bluetooth remote control. The remote control has 4 buttons. The M button on the top, when clicked once, will switch between horizontal and vertical mode. When clicked twice, it will switch between follow and lock mode. The left button will zoom out and control the menu in the Genie app. The right button will zoom in and also control the menu. The I button at the bottom will stop and start recording when clicked once. It will control the menu when clicked twice and change between front and back camera when clicked 3 times. The device also supports native camera controls via Bluetooth, and the battery lasts for up to 10 hours. The top portion can be adjusted to face forward, which makes vlogging so much easier. The center leg does give you added stability if you want to use this device on a table like a tripod. The selfie stick can be extended up to 69 centimeters or 27 inches. Now let's see how the Nano performs outside. Alright, so here I am outside walking around. I got the camera on the gimbal selfie stick. The stick is fully extended, so I'm about, 4 feet away or so. And got my arm, not fully extended, it's comfortable. This is definitely something you can use for quite some time, right? It's not heavy at all, so you're not gonna feel like you're losing your arm holding this, for hours. I mean, you could do this, right? So it feels comfortable. It's all good. Obviously it's not a 3-axis gimbal, so keep that in mind. You're not getting the 3 axes, so it's not going to be quite as smooth. But I think for these types of situations, it's going to be just fine, right? So just something to keep in mind. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. As you can see, this is a pretty cool product. Now, who is this for? Well, this is for the casual vlogger, right? Somebody who just needs, a bit more than just, your phone, obviously. Someone who wants to have that selfie stick capability so you can hold the phone further away from you. Someone who wants more stability and, just that kind of a stuff. This is going to be great for them, or just someone who, just likes to take videos of themselves and others and just wants to have more options, right? This is obviously not a 3-axis gimbal, so don't expect that. If you want a 3-axis phone gimbal, you got to go with another product. If you want to stick with Moza, you can go with the Moza Mini MX. Or the Mini P, right? I've done videos on both of those. Links will be in the description and we'll pop out on screen, so you can check those out. But if that's not what you're looking for and you don't want to spend too much money, because this product is $45, which I think is a good price point. That's excellent for this type of a product. And so if you are in those categories, I think this guy will do very well for you. And you're gonna have a lot of fun. So that's it. As always, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, tell your friends, all that good stuff, and stay tuned for more. Thanks.